The snowplows are active in areas with heavy snowfall. There are various types of snowplows designed to create clear roads for everyone to pass through. Norimono Wonder! Hello, I'm Popo. Nice to meet you. Today's Norimono Wonder will introduce snowplows. I heard there are vehicles that clear snow. Ah, they're here.
This is called a rotary snowplow.
Wow, it's running while blowing snow away.
In areas with heavy snowfall, snow accumulates on the roads, preventing cars and people from passing. Snowplows clear the snow from the roads. A rotary snowplow can clear approximately 3,000 tons of snow per hour.
That's a lot.
This red wheel is called an auger, and it gathers snow by rotating. The auger's claws have sharp tips designed to crush hard snow upon impact.
So it's crushing hard snow with this.
The snow gathered by the auger is then lifted by a device with blades called a blower, located behind it. The snow is ejected through a cylinder on top called a tube. This rotary snowplow also has a convenient feature.
Ah, it's bending in the middle of the vehicle? Why does it do that?
It allows for tight turns, making U-turns easier and improving work efficiency. Popo, here's a quiz for you. How far can a rotary snowplow throw snow at maximum? 1. 5 meters, 2. 10 meters, 3. 40 meters. Everyone, think about it for 10 seconds.
How far can it go? It flew really far earlier, so maybe it's 10 meters?
Did you get it? The correct answer is 3. 40 meters.
It can throw snow that far.
By the way, this snowplow can clear about 2 meters of accumulated snow.
That's amazing.
Popo, there seem to be many other snowplows at the snow removal base, so let's go.
Okay. We've arrived.
First up is the one-lane loading rotary snowplow.
How is it different from the rotary snowplow?
You'll see when you look at it from the side.
From the side? Ah, it has an arm like a crane truck?
This arm is the key feature. It loads the snow gathered in front onto the bed of a truck running behind it. It works with a truck to clear snow using only one lane, so it doesn't obstruct other vehicles.
I see.
There are many other types of snowplows. This is a snow removal wheel loader. Its characteristic is this large blade. You can freely change the left and right angles of the blade.
Where is it useful to change the angle?
Let's see it in action. Because it's maneuverable, it mainly pushes snow off the road shoulders and gathers snow in urban areas.
It's very strong.
Next is the snow removal truck. It clears snow using this large blade.
It's really big, but why is it angled?
It can quickly clear freshly fallen snow off the roadside.
That's very fast.
Next is the snow removal motor grader.
It has a unique shape.
Unlike other blades that are attached to the front of the vehicle, this snowplow has a blade behind the front wheels. The blade is positioned behind because it removes snow by scraping off hard snow and ice by pressing the blade against the ground.
I see.
It can also clear snow accumulated on sidewalks by attaching a device called a side wing, similar to a blade. The snow removal motor grader has another feature.
Those tires are tilted. It won't be able to drive straight if they're tilted.
When pushing snow with the blade, the tires can slip and prevent straight movement. Look, Popo.
It's true. They're tilted.
By tilting the front tires in the opposite direction of the slip, the vehicle can grip the road and move in a straight line.
That's amazing.
Snow is cleared using various snowplow types, depending on the amount of snow and the location.
Thanks to snowplows, people and cars can safely travel on roads, even in areas with heavy snow.
Popo, do you understand how snowplows work?
Yes, I understand very well. Thank you for working hard in the snow for everyone.
Today's Norimono Wonder was about snowplows.
See you all.
希望の光